Well, our eyebrows are catching a lot of sweat if you're outside, right? Isn't that what they're supposed to do? I don't know.
Yeah, they are.
Something like that. Well, meantime, this is like the hottest part of the day right now, so hang tight.
It is.
We're toward the end of this weather alert.
Yeah, improvements are on the horizon. We just got to wait for the sun to start to set over the very hot skies of downtown Portland, much of the Pacific Northwest, as that KOIN 6 weather alert still remains in place. We're talking about temperatures anywhere from 95 to 102, but that cooling trend, it is expected to start to take shape as we move our way through the next 12 hours or so. Live look right now across much of the Pacific Northwest, nothing but bright blue sunny skies as temperatures right here in the Rose City are hovering right around 96 degrees. And that is actually the warmest temperature we have felt so far this summer season. Not only today, but also back on June 8th of this year, where the number of 90+ degree days have brought us to a grand total of 9. As some of us are flirting with the 100-degree mark right now. Look at Bethany, 101, mid-90s for the rest of us here across the Portland, Vancouver metro area. Just the same for the I-5 corridor, 60s and 70s found along the coast, and also holding on to the high heat out towards the east. But the National Weather Service out of Portland keeping that heat advisory in place through 10 o'clock tonight. So it's going to be a slow cooling trend, but nonetheless a cooling trend that will start to take shape later today. As our fire weather warnings and our fire weather watches remain in place all the way through 10 o'clock on Friday. That's all because of the lack of rainfall and the excessive heat we have been feeling. Now, the Cram fire, that is the one burning just to the north and east of Madras, that's where relative humidity values are bone dry. Winds right now out of the north, and this fire has become so explosive as of late because of the dramatic wind change. We did start everything off with an onshore flow, and then over the past 24 hours, it has been more of an easterly wind, and now preparing for those west winds to once again return, which for the other side of the Cascades means hotter, drier, and likely breezier conditions for the fire crews fighting that blaze. But the wildfire smoke seen a little bit here across western Oregon, southwest Washington, but as that onshore flow starts to take shape, that's where we will really start to see the improvements as far as our air quality goes. But again, the Cram fire is still producing a lot of pollutants. As our temperatures tonight here in the Portland area are expected to cool, so the fan still likely going to be running at full blast, but you can slowly turn it back as we approach the sunrise hour. All the high heat due to this ridge of high pressure building out towards the west. But you'll notice this trough of cooler air working its way further to the south. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that's where cooler temperatures will once again return. We go from above average to below average just in time for the weekend. You can see it here. We should be hovering right around 83 degrees, but low 80s as early as this weekend. Upper 70s by Monday before the next warming trend gets underway. But staying hydrated, wearing the light color loose fitting clothing and taking frequent breaks in the shade or in the AC is going to be a must, at least over the next 24 hours or so, as 90s still return tomorrow. But we are going to be holding on to that marine layer along the coast, courtesy that onshore flow that will help to start to cool things down for the I-5 corridor. Again, that Cram fire burning out towards the Madras area expected to start to push its way further off to the east as those winds do just the same, taking us into Friday as well as the hot sunny conditions slowly start to fade. Tonight, calm, quiet, clear, and much cooler. 60 degrees is where we expect to fall to by sunrise. Tomorrow, cooling things off with mostly cloudy skies, at least to start the day along the shoreline. The I-5 corridor cooling things back to the low 90s. More sunshine, still feeling like summer for us, especially out towards the east as that fire threat still remains. And up in elevation, cooling things back into the low 70s for Government Camp. 7-day forecast. Yes, this is a good sight to see. An increase in the cloud coverage. Low 80s returning for Saturday and Sunday, just in time for Portland Pride out at Tom McCall Waterfront Park. The parade on Sunday morning, where you can say hi to us here at KOIN 6. We'll be along the parade route as we all prepare for the next round of summer-like heat by the middle of next week. But you'll notice the lack of rainfall continues to add up over the next 7 days.
Yeah, so just be extra careful if you're out and about, of course.
Yeah.
And I was asking, I think a lot of colleagues are, like for this weekend's Pride events, it'll be cooler, but you mentioned humid too.
Likely going to be slightly on the more humid side because of that cloud coverage, yeah.
Okay, all right. We'll take it though, it'll be cooler.
Manageable.
Yeah, thanks.
We'll be right back.